Hi, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I will be unboxing a Longvadon AirTag in mahogany color. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe to this channel as it is self-funded and it will help HSR greatly. Without further ado, so this product comes in a plastic cover. It's a bit hard to open. I mean, the plastic cover, it's very poorly packed. It's a bit hard to open it. It's also hand taped, so as you can see here, you may need scissors to open it a bit faster. Oh, I think I've got it. Longvadon. So you've got this product here. So you've got this box. It's very light. It just looks like that it's environmentally friendly. And you've got the product itself. This is the key ring, and it's got this leather crocodile AirTag. As you can see that it's a bit nice. It's not too hard. It's soft, yet it's quite sturdy, and the sewing is nice and beautiful. It doesn't have any crooked threads coming out, or I mean it's a nice looking product. And this ring is stainless steel, and it feels nice. I mean, it's soft. It doesn't feel like it's wooden, and the leather feels premium, and it's very nicely sewn. So you would slide in the AirTag, and then this is the clip. You just clip it on, and it's quite strong. It doesn't, I mean, it will stay on. It's nice. It's beautiful. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe and like the video. Take good care. Bye bye.